So hello everyone. First of all, it is a real pleasure to introduce myself. My name is June Jester C, and I am the student who will dedicate the fascinating of Newton's law of motions. And the law of motions we have at least three laws, which is the number one we have law of inertia. Number two we have the law of acceleration, and the lastly we have the law of interaction. So in this video, you will be explore the law of motions. I mean those law. So let's start. To demonstrate these laws, we'll be using a few simple items. And starts with the law of inertia, in which we have a plastic bottle. So which states that in this object at rest will remain at rest. As you can see, there's no applied force in the gravitation, there's no air to move it. So in this object in motion will continue to move unless acted upon by an external force. So will I use plastic bottle to illustrate this concept? And as you can see, it stands alone with no applying force. Even the area, I mean the air or the gravitation applies to it. So the plastic bottle remain still until I apply a force to it and causing it to move, and that's it. So next, we'll explore the law of acceleration, which states that an object's acceleration depends on the force applied. So first, I'll roll the ball gently, and if it moves at a steady pace with minimal force, as you can see, I'll be testing the ball and it stops. Now, I'll roll it again and kick it slowly. The ball speeds up but eventually stops due to friction. But that's more force increases acceleration, but external force slow it down. Lastly, we'll examine the law of interaction, which states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. And I decided to remove the voice here. So to demonstrate this, I will push the gate with both hands. And as you can see, when I apply force to the gate, it moves forward. But at the same time, I also move slightly backward. This shows the interaction. My push is the action and the gate pushing back on me in the reaction. This clearly demonstrates Newton's third law of motion, where forces always come in pairs, acting in opposing directions but with equal magnitude. In conclusion, Newton's law of motions help us understand how objects move and respond to forces. And when you apply your force and for dedicating as dedication for the experimentation, you'll be apply some your force or the using the simple objects to dedicate those the law of motions. So thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something new today and in this video. Thank you.